want to welcome everybody to day 2 of the AI workshop. My name is Larry Pringle. I'm CEO of Evolutionary Media. We're a media company, social media management company that actually helps you streamline your business, help you grow it. I believe in speed, so we're big on speed and helping busy business owners stay productive and get tasks done. Today, in this workshop today, I'm actually going to be going over some more different AI software that you can use to help productivity inside your business. One of them is a really cool tool that I use myself, and the other ones are actually AI tools that you can actually use and implement inside your business as well. Enough said here. Like I said, I'm not big on fluff. I like to show value, give you all your details, and don't give you a whole lot of talking here. So we're gonna dive straight in and get started. So if you was here yesterday, I went over how you can take an image, still image, and turn it into an actual movement image with facial features. Now I'm going to show you another one where you can actually use to create content from it. So if you're a person that may be an introvert, or maybe a person that doesn't like to do a whole lot of content, and you don't have time to do content, I'm going to show you an AI avatar that you can actually build and use to actually create your content yourself. I'm going to show my screen, and I'm going to go dive right into what it is. So give me a second. All right, I am going to share my screen. All right, so I know yesterday I went over Leonardo AI, went over Cura AI, and then we went over DubDub AI. So today we're actually going to go over one that's really cool, and it's called Neural AI Studios. So I'm going to click on this, and like I said, the prompt is there. So if you're a person that needs the prompt, like I said, if you sign up to this program, you should be getting the prompt to you. But if you didn't get it, let me know. Say, Larry, I didn't get it. Please, can I get it? And I'll send it over to you ASAP. This is a cool software right here. I really like it, where you can actually make your own avatar, where you can actually talk, do things for you. You can actually generate content from it. So here's your dashboard, and you come in at, I have videos here already, but we're going to create another video so we can actually show you how this actually works. So let's say you're a person that needs to, I don't know what to do about content. I don't have a good idea on what I need to do. You can come over to GPT scripts. And now let's say you want to do a script on, you say, well, I don't have a topic. And he goes, what's the topic you want to talk about? You might want to talk about, let's say football. I don't want to say football. Let's say, then we'll say a good one. Let's get a good one. Let's say a good one. We'll say Facebook. So now the topic will be Facebook. Who's our target audience? We can say we have a target audience. We can use, we'll say, I'm going to use my one here. We'll say business owners. We'll put that in there. Now we'll generate a text script, and bam, it gives us a script. So now we don't have to really think about what script I'm going to write, how I'm going to write the script. You already have it right here, just based on a simple text prompt. So now you can take this text prompt. You got 1 or 2. You might like 1. You might like 2 better. You can come over here. If you don't like none of them, guess what you can do? You can always regenerate it again, and then it'll give you a small. So now we can come over here. We'll say we grab this one. All right. I'm going to use this one. Then you go, all right, I don't know what to do with it next. Cool thing about this is these go up to 150 different languages. So if you're a person that doesn't want to use the English language, or you may be out of state, out of country, and you want to do, you can. It's got all the different languages here. It goes all the way up to 150. If you need to change the tone of the person, if you want them to be happy, angry, frustrated, or whatever you want them to be, his expressions is here. Um, let's say we want him to be happy. I don't want him to be bad. So he's happy. If you need to change his name, you have the different models here. As an organizer, I start from happiness. See, so we have different ones here that we can actually use. We got Jeremy. Love is a serious mental disease. So there you go. And then you can create. If you create, like I said, this is free. I don't want to give you anything that's paid. You got the free. You have to schedule a call, and then you're gonna have to do a paid version of it. But for this right here, like I said, we're teaching you free because I want you to learn it, get good at it, and then eventually, once you get up to a certain clientele, then you can go for the paid version of it. Or if you want to go for the paid version of it now, you can go jump straight into it. He give you one free coin here to actually use, but you can try it before you like it, before you buy it. So now that we have our content, what we're gonna do, and then we gotta generate a video. We have this lady here right now, but you have your different avatars over here. You got all styles, you got a presenter. Maybe you want to do public speaking or something. You can pick one of these people here. Or if you want to do a TikTok style, you have your TikTokers. So you have all your different style TikTokers and people over here that you can actually use. Let's see here. Let's use since I used TikTokers on my last one, we're gonna come over here and we're gonna actually use a presentation. All right, we're gonna grab this guy right here. All right, now that we grab him here, you want to come over to your right-hand side where it says avatar. That's where you pick your avatars at. And then you got your text. So now we got to put that prompt that we actually had here. We would put it here. It says Marcus. So now we come over here, hit our text prompt. We stick it here. Everything's here for us. It's down here. One secret you have to do. It's going to make it really content creation that you always see. We have to put captions. So now you would click this box down at the bottom. Don't forget to click captions down there. So now when the guy's talking, you can see the captions there. All right. Now this guy doesn't have a background. So we need to give him a background. So you can upload a background. You can go to your computer and grab one if you have one. I don't have a background. Or you can go to AI and we can do something here. Close the room with lights. We'll see if AI can generate us something here. Let's stick there. Boom. There you go. You put them in the bedroom. Talking. So as simple as that. Setting up your AI prompts to how to set everything up. So now you have generated room. So that's all set. Now we need to actually create the video. So now we'll come over, create the image. Everything's set up. It's 17 minutes. 17 seconds. We hit generate. Now it's going to go through and do its thing. While it's progressing, it's giving it time to feed and everything else. And like I said, this platform is really cool for somebody out there that's like, don't have time to make content, and or I'm an introvert. I don't feel like getting on camera. I rather just create my own avatar and do it. And I think avatar is really cool because you think about it. McDonald's, Ray Kroc is not the mascot of McDonald's. It's wrong. You can think about anything else. Chick-fil-A, they have the cow. Different things have different logos, different mascots to speak out to them instead of the owner or the face of the business doing it. So you can create your own avatar and have your avatar as your face. You see my avatar, David. He's gonna be my avatar. He's gonna be the one that's gonna be sometime when I'm not doing stuff. You're gonna see David on camera. He's gonna be going through explaining stuff to him. I call him Mr. OG. So you get to use different things and different variations that way, so you can create content. It's no way that you don't have to not create content now. They made it where it's so easy now to create content and give value to other people in so many different ways here. As this is done, once this progress is done, I'll show you how the magic happens. So while we're waiting, I'll show you these right here. Let's grab this young man right here. And see the video? We will click it. Do you ever feel like there just aren't enough hours in the day to see, as simple as that. If you like it, you can download it with no watermarker, or you can click the link here. If you need to edit it, or you want to put somebody else there, you say, well, he doesn't look right there, you can. And also too, I know you see that watermarker in the back of it. I'm going to show you something too at the end of this, how to get the watermark off anything that you actually have. So if you're a person that says, oh man, I got a watermark there, I'm going to give y'all a treat today, and I'm actually going to show you how to get rid of the watermark on anything that you have inside your content. All right, let's go down since he's ready. Let's grab here, let's exit out. Now we'll go to the guy that we picked. And now let's make him go. Facebook is a tool for business owners. Use it to connect with customers. Brand awareness. Analyze data to optimize results. There you go. So just like that, you created your own AI image and stuff like that. You can actually go further than that. I just made it simple here. I think you can go up to, like 20 minutes. You can make it simple. You can crunch it in. Like I said, I gave you a recipe that you can use in the first one, so you can kind of use that, kind of frame it on the talking side of the one that's a script. To kind of give you an idea. If not, then you can put it inside ChatGPT and say, hey, can you make me a variation of this script that I have right here? Same one that I just made for you. ChatGPT will generate one and say, hey, you may want to generate it to do Instagram post, or maybe you want to do something inside your business. You can take that prompt that I gave you there, to put it inside ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT, hey, based on this right here, can you create this in a form for Instagram? And ChatGPT will go in there and do its thing and then make it, and you just copy and paste it and go. It's no excuse anymore to not like make content. And like I said, Facebook is a tool for business owners. And one thing I like about this too, you see the head movement, the hand variation, moving his hands like I do. I talk with my hands. This is cool. So you can actually use this. So, like I said, this is a tool, and I think you should check this out. Like I said, and you have your integrations here. So it integrates into Canva, the Adobe Premiere. So you can use this in Adobe. It's a plugin inside ChatGPT. So you use this to your advantage. This is really, really, really between Canva and this, you could probably go really, really crazy with it. Even Adobe, if you're somebody that's big on Premiere and doing stuff like that. All right, so we're gonna move to the next one that I have for you. If you got any value out of this right here, like I said, you can use this in any kind of way, structure it out, and there you go. All right, we're gonna move along to the next one. I'm gonna go back to our prompts. And now that we did that, we're gonna go into this one right here that I really, really love. Like I really love this one right here. And this one is Kingling AI. This is like so cool to me. This is so cool. It's new. I'm gonna tell you now. It's from China, so it really moves really slow sometimes. But they're working on it. They're working on it. But this thing right here is nasty. When I say it's nasty, y'all. So you can create content, move elements from this. I'm not getting paid from them at all for this. So, but it's just, this could really, really take somebody that's really want to make a short film, create some content, may want to do some things that, make short films, um, anything you want, anything you can possibly think of, do with this content creation here. I'm gonna go here and show you some pre-made ones, and then I'm gonna show you one that I actually created, and you can actually check that out. Here is a pre-made one. And it's freezing right here. Um, let's see. Like I told you before, it's really good. You just have to go in there and just have to stick with it. They have so many different variations here. Let's wait and see if it pops back up again. If it doesn't pop back up again, then we'll actually go hop over, show you one that I actually created, and you can actually see how that one is. It's not as long as this, and you can look at that one. All right, we're gonna give you one more shot. See if it does it. All right, I think it's frozen here. So I'm gonna back out of this. And now we'll go over to, you can do your own AI imagery here if you want to, but then the video, I think I need to sign in. That's probably the problem. Let me sign into it. And like I said, this is free. Credits is free. You get 66 a day. So you can take advantage of that, create as much content as possible. 66. I did 3 pieces of content so far, just messing around, just showing y'all. And it's at 46 right now. So that can tell you again for me, I did 3. So I can still make several different content clips. You can actually clip them and chop them up and make your own cinematic movies out of it. All right, we're gonna plug this in, and once we plug this in, you get to see the magic happen. All right, there we go. So now that we have it here, it's gonna go through. Once it go through, I'll show you the one that I created. All right, now that we in, we'll come over here to video AI videos. All right, these are videos that I made the other day. If you was on the call, you remember me putting these in here. We'll start with the small one down here, that's 5 seconds. I generated ice cream, a cone, and a waffle cone. And look at that. That looks really good. That looks really, really good in depth, detail, and everything. Then you have your other one that's up here. You can zoom in. And then you have your ones right here that's in the waffle cone as well. and you can see the chocolate coming off of it. I think when I enhanced it, I kind of messed it. So let's go back in, go back to it again, and then now you get to see the chocolate with the ice cream on it, drizzle falling off the side of it. See, it's falling off the side of the edge of it. You can see it just dropping down. See, detail in the AI. So if you want to, you can have the ice cream even melting off of it if you want to. So this is a cool thing that you can actually can do. All right. So now we have this one. I am going to, I downloaded it. Of course, I downloaded it. I wanted it. So I come over here. You can download this one too. And you'll see why what I mean when I download them. All right. So like I said, this is what you can type in the prompts. I gave you the recipe for the prompts, so you already have it already. You have up to 2,500 that you can actually add right here. I'm at 7. I did this prompt right here, and it's at 747. That's crazy, 747. So it's here. And if you may be a person that says, hey, I want to put a video image here, there you go. You got your video image here that you can just take. Maybe you want to take yourself, put a picture of yourself here, and then turn it into an AI image. Then there you go. Let's see. Let's be crazy with it. Let's see what we can do. I'm actually gonna put one in here. It usually takes a long time to load, but I'll have it set for y'all tomorrow, and then y'all can check it out on the last day. Last day, I'm actually gonna give you a crazy bonus, a crazy thing I'm gonna do. So, all right, we're gonna open this up. Let's paste my image in here. I don't know what images is in here. Oh, it didn't take it. Let's find another image. It's a mismatch. All right, so reason why it's a mismatch because it doesn't match the prompt at the bottom. So let's fix that. Let's delete this prompt at the bottom. We're gonna delete all of this. All right, yeah. Yeah, we'll delete everything. Only thing, like I said, they're still working with this. This is from China. So it is different. So all right, let's go back to history. Let's find. Let's see here. Um, let's see if it does it now. There you go. So now it's gonna, because, oh, it didn't take it. All right, let's try one more. Try this one. Oh, this is a post. We don't want to do a post. Let's find us a picture. Let's find us a picture. All right. See if it does this one. There we go. All right, so now we can put here, what's we gonna say prompt? Uh-oh, see what I wanna put. All right, so now we're gonna put this here. We'll see what it does. We'll see what it turns my imagery into. I said Larry is turning into Batman. We'll see if it turns me into Batman. So once this loads, while this is loading, this can always go in the background. I'm actually going to move to the next software, and we'll come back to this one in a few. So let's go over to the next one. So we'll go over to our prompts. Back to our prompt guide, we're going to go back over to Career AI. Now we're inside of here. We came here yesterday to do the enhancement, but today we're going to do something different. Today we're going to we can use Flux. Flux is really cool. But, but this time we're going to actually use real time. This is really crazy what I'm about to show you right now. So you can see a picture here. You see I made a stick man. This is a stick guy here. It looks really weird with his cut off sleeves and everything here. So let's see if we can change him around a little bit. Boom. This is so weird. They can do different things. We'll say, oh, we don't want to change him into that. We want to bring the old man back. So there you go. Now he's holding some sticks in his hand. He looks really weird. He's turning into a woman. He just, yeah. This is different things they can do. They still working on this, but this is like really crazy what you can do with this stuff. Um, and then something that you can do too, if you want to bring the strength of the AI down, so you can turn it down. I don't know why they turn the different things. Like I said, here, there he goes. He's turning into all different kind of crazy things. So you can change the enhancement here. You can take it, describe the picture in here. If we need to take it out, just go down to the bottom, take it out. Um, now we don't have the old man in there. And we can do different things. We can take this and now we can probably turn this into different AI forms. Look like a lamp. Now it looks like a whole bunch of jumbled up metal. But yeah, see, you can do different art off of it. You can text it generate. You can actually upload the image over here, take it, move it around, different things here that you can actually use. And yeah, this is crazy what you can do. It's endless here. But the thing I want to show you here is Let's see. Let's see how strength we can go with strength. All right. Like I said, it's different things you can do based on the strength. Based on the different variations here. All right. So, like I said, I prefer actually texting it in, doing it that way. But this is just a cool little thing that I've seen that you can actually draw a stick figure out and make him into a man, make a road on the side, and you can design it and make it from just person that don't know how to do art can create it from here. All right, so we're gonna move to the next generation thing that's here. That's really, really, really cool. We're gonna go to video. And I already have one here, even the baby that we did yesterday. Look at what we can do to him now. We can do text animation videos where we can make the baby actually go in the crib and now he's dancing. If we want to make him jump up and down, we can change the prompts here, make him do whatever we want. So now the baby was saying Gaga yesterday, and now he's doing this. So this is another thing that you can do. If you want to actually do this, you come over here. Let's say we delete this. Let's use, we're gonna use LeBron for this one since we had LeBron yesterday. I don't wanna deviate from that, so we'll go back over. See who we have. All right, we'll do LeBron James here. All right. Maybe we want him to be in motion instead of the baby. All right. So now that we have him here, we might just want him to be on camera so we can do another keyframe. I would put a keyframe over here somewhere. Let's give him a keyframe over here. Add an image there. We can add another keyframe here. Bam. All right, we can hit generate video. And now we'll see what he does. And like I said, now you have the video here where you can actually see this loads up. You can see it's loading up now. And let's see what we get out of it. All right, he's just sitting on the side. Doesn't really look the same. For some reason, he looks a little different, but you get the point of the video. If we need to enhance it, we can enhance it a little bit more to make him even more beefier. You gotta do 3D render because this is a film. And it's still enhancing it. So you see it's enhancing it as it goes. So there you go. That's one of them that's actually rendered in, so it looks a little better. You can see the arms and everything in it. All right, we want to do an animation. It gives you an animation. And we can come here. So we got different variations that we can actually use. So it's pretty cool what you can do. Like I said, the more as it does it, it enhances it. It's gonna make it look better as it goes. If this is enhancing, we want to keep this, we can download it. We want him to maybe bounce a basketball, get up and run, get up, stand up and run. It just depends on how you want it. All right. Now we're going to go to the last, I think it's pretty cool. Flux is pretty cool. Come over to Flux. And you can type a description in here. So let's find us a description. We'll go to our prompts. Nah. Let's just make up something. All right, let's go make up something. All right, we can say I'm stuck on Batman today. I don't know why. There's a Batman flying over trees. We know Batman don't fly. So there you go. So see how in depth flux is. So just like that, and see how detail is coming. Like look at that. This is amazing, amazing, amazing AI software that you can actually use. Now we can take this and actually make them emotion if we wanted to. Look how cool that is. That is really, really awesome. So just another idea you can use if we want to see you got them on the top of the tree, got them flying over a tree, different variations there. So I think that is so, so awesome when you can do stuff like this. Um, but yeah, this is the one that you can do. And if you want to republish it again, you can. It's there. We can download it. Bam, he's downloaded. I like that one better. Y'all may like that one better. I think that one's pretty cool too. All right, and then now you have your different variations there. I think this is the coolest one when it comes to generating pics because it makes it more detailed and in depth about it. So we didn't even have to tell it to do 3D. It pretty much knew how to do it. All right. And now we'll go back over to Flux. I mean, Kingman, and see if our image is done. If our image is done, then we can check it out. All right, let's see what we got. We signed in. Let's go to our imagery. Let's see if it took it. Let's see what we got. No, it's still loading up. Well, I guess it'll load up. Like I said, this takes a long time. I'm just being honest with y'all. Just be sure, transparent with you. When you download these images right here, it's gonna take a long time to do. I started this earlier in the day, and it took almost close to 24 hours to get done. So they're gonna work on this probably, hopefully, where they can make this a whole lot better. But the image looks really good, so it's really worth the wait. And I'm interested to see me turn in the back. So there you go. Um, we got everything here that you can get covered, like I said, through all the AI imagery and everything else. And now I'm going to cover one automation that's really, really, really cool. I think a lot of people are not talking about it. I'm not going to go in depth about it so much. I'm just going to show you how it actually works. This is an automation tool that you can actually use. And I'm going to hop in it now. Let's hop out of here. I can actually hop out of here because it's still going to be running in the background when it's off. That's crazy how that works. But it'll be running when it's off. And I'm going to stop sharing my screen for a second because I have to log in and I don't want you to know my login details. All right, let me grab it. Hope y'all getting a lot of value out of this. I hope I'm showing you something that you ain't never seen before. If you've seen it already, then hope something that you didn't see, a nugget or something came in there where you said, "Oh, I didn't know it could do all that." So I hope you got some value out of this right here. Now, the next platform I'm actually going to cover now is one of them that's really cool. Like it's really cool. You can plug this with anything. This works with anything. When I say anything, it works with pretty anything. You can automate your whole business. You can do your content creation from here. You'll be able to create content and send content out and get data on content all in one into a workflow if you set it up. And I am going to share my screen. All right. If you can see my screen right now, we're in a platform called make.com. This thing is amazing. If you already know about Make, you already know how amazing this app is. This is so you'll be able to do sequences from here, different workflow sequences. You can build style workflow sequences from here. So we'll come over here and actually create a new sequence. I'm not going to build these out because you have to put in API codes and all of that, but I'm not going to do all of that because that's going to take a whole lot of time to do. But you have access to Google Sheets, Flow Control, ChatGPT, Airtable. If you have an Airtable, I'm going to go down. You have Google Sheets. And let's say, going down the list, you have Google Drive, you have Google Gmail, and you can do Gmail for business, but when you try to do Gmail for your personal, it's a little tricky. I will, if you want me to say, hey, Larry, shoot me a text message and say, hey, Larry, can you show me the workaround to that? I want to send a workflow to my Gmail. And how I have it set up in my Gmail where it's set up in a sequence where it'll auto respond to certain ones that's not important to me. If it's not important, it'll automatically send a reminder out, letting them know. And the ones that I do know, they already can reply back. Or you can have it set up to the people that just, if you don't have, you're not big on emails, you can have it reply back to your emails for you. I prefer to read my emails, but if that's who you are, to each his own. You can set a Facebook page from here. You got your Monday.com, you have Complexity here, you got your GHL. So if you're in the, you got ManyChat. So maybe you say, hey, I'm gonna grab ManyChat real quick. I want to send a message. So now you got ManyChat, you might want to send a message. So now your ManyChat's here. Like I said, you can connect, you have to go get your tokens from your ManyChat, set all this up. Just go to your settings, you'll see your access tokens, plug it in there, and then you can get started. We're not gonna do that today, and we're not gonna hit that one because we don't have it set up. And if you notice, if it's not set up properly, you'll have this little trigger right here that's gonna show up, and it's gonna stay there until it goes away. And you can actually run tests on it. So see here, it's telling you this value is not set up. So if it's running, it'll let me know, hey, something's wrong. We need to fix this. See the time, it's even got the time that it's there. So we grab another module, and we'll say we want to ManyChat. The message from ManyChat people send, we might want to send it into a Google sheet. So now we can come over here and go add sheet. So now it's here. We was connecting it. We'll come here, sign it into our Google, and we'll get started. We not, and we'll say, all right, from the Google sheet, based on the data that Google had, we may want to say, hey, let's send it to ChatGPT so ChatGPT can make some content. Same here, like I said, you have to plug in your API keys, all of this. When you're doing this, you need to go to ChatGPT's playground. So when you go into ChatGPT's playground, you'll be able to get your tokens and everything to set this up. All right, and maybe you want to do something from ChatGPT where you want to do a workflow saying, all right, I want to send this to create me some content, and then I want you to send it to Facebook. So we can come down here. All right, we're gonna say we want to send it to our Facebook page. So now we want to maybe say create a post. So now it's gonna come here. It's gonna shoot it in here. We need to know what page. Come down here, find out what page. This is my, put your message in here, what you want, how you want ChatGPT to respond with all your information here, and it'll set it up. And then from there, you say, maybe the page I wanted to, once it spit this out again, based on results, maybe I want to send this back to ChatGPT again. So you might want to send it back to ChatGPT based on the data that it has. And then from there, you might say, hey, I want to go to Instagram this time. So now you can go down here. Let's find Instagram for business. So now we can come here and we want to say, all right, ChatGPT. Better yet, create me a carousel post. So now it'll create you a carousel post. It knows it will grab my connection here. I'm not going to connect it because I don't want this to go off. And then you would hit OK, and then it'll connect to Instagram. And then you might say, all right, based on what you got, and I'm just doing this off the fly. Go back into ChatGPT again. And I want you to send every information that ChatGPT got based on this. Because you can tell ChatGPT what to prompt it to do. You might want to say, all right, based on this right here, send this into a Google Sheet, add to sheet, and then from the sheet, send the sheet to me through Gmail. So now you can come down here, let's find Gmail, and we're gonna say, send me email. So now, see, and then we can send it here. It'll have a subject line. We tell it what subject it is, and then it'll structure it out, send it to Gmail from here. So it's all any way you want to set up a workflow, you can design it from here from Make. And this is so crazy, and you can automate all of this. So you can move these if you want them to go down, and maybe you want to build it a little wider. The little wrenches right here, you might want to add, unlink it. You can unlink it. You might want to select a whole branch. You can do a branch there. You might want to add a route there. Just come over there. Now you can add a route. This route will make more than one. You see? Now you can go from sheets. You can go, all right, since you want to send it here, I might want you to send it to, let's see where I want to send this to. If I want to send this somewhere else, I might want to send this to, let's find something. We'll go down the list because I know I didn't go all the way down. Let's see, right on Instagram. You might want to say, all right, let's send this. And see, there you go with Leonardo at the top, like I told you. So if you want to, let's say we'll stick this in a CSV. So now you have your CSV over here. Let's say, all right, let's create a CSV. Now, boom. I'm not gonna touch all of this. Like I said, you would have to go in here, spread your spreadsheet to CSV so it'll understand. And then now you see, now you got two. So now you can have everything going. This is the first one, this is the second one. You might want to connect them, you might want to do whatever you want to do. You might want to come over here and you might want to add another route. So now you can say, all right, I got a route. You want to set another route. It just depends on what you like, what you want to do. It's endless on what you can do. You hit the plus here, and now we got another route. And so now we just building workflows all over the place. So take advantage of this. Like I said, if you want me to go more in depth with this, I can definitely go in depth and show you how one is actually built. Like I said, it takes time to do it here because I've already packed this with so much information. I know I'm overwhelming you with everything I'm showing you right now. So take advantage of this. Also, too, you may say, I don't want to build all this out. You can come over here to actually templates. We're going to disregard this. We're not saving this at all. And then now you can come over here and grab your pre-made templates. And these are public templates that you want. So they have so many. So many. You can go through and probably find something that you can plug inside your business as well. Like this one right here. See this one right here? Goes to Facebook groups, goes here to the web, search the things on the web based on your group, and then create a photo. It's 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 yeah, click funnels. If you want to do click funnels and you want to go to active campaign, you can do it from here. So, like I said, it's all up to you what you want to actually do. Set this up, how you want to build it. It's all designed to you how you want to do it. But this is make.com. Like I said, check it out. I think you'll like it. You have your API keys here if you need to put all this stuff down here. You have your scenarios up here like we just came to. You have your team. And you're based on your scenarios, when you build it out, you have a whole be right here. So all your workflow sequences will be here in such a scenario for you if you're looking for them. And that's all I'm gonna cover for today. I know this was a lot. Tomorrow is the final day. I'm gonna go over copyright tomorrow. I'm gonna show you, and of course, I know everybody says, "Oh, I know ChatGPT." I'm gonna show you a couple of things that you may not know about ChatGPT. If you do, then it's cool. Things that you know, then we'll go over that as well. So I'm going to show you other different copywriting tools. I'm going to show you some other different AI tools that you can use inside your business. All these things I'm showing you now, you can actually use for content creation or for business structures and everything else. Hope you got a lot of value out of this. And like I said, watch tomorrow. Tomorrow's the third and final day, and I got a big secret that I'm going to give away tomorrow. And hope you enjoy it. I'll see you tomorrow, and I'm out.